This is the QTH of W8vyz, and here is Bill. How you doing, Bill?
Salute.
Salute. AM forever.
All right, AM forever. All right.
And this is the main operating position of your fine station here. My God, you got what you using for it? What's the main station receiver, Bill?
The BC348.
Okay, which is this guy right here.
That's a Q and that's the R.
That's the R model. You use a with that use a converter, I guess.
Yeah.
Which one? The RME up there?
Well, you just converter on that one. The homebrew converter on that one.
Okay, the homebrew converter is
behind the peanuts.
Oh, behind the peanuts. Hey, I like that old-fashioned dial on there.
Ain't that an
yeah,
antique?
that is fantastic. Absolutely. I got some
low dial, all right.
I got some low light. And guess who just walked in here? Gonna have a smoke. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, see, I got my hair combed this time, so
yeah,
I don't
that's
look
right.
like a fruit.
Like a what?
Like a fruit.
Like an apple?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And Bill's. I want to show you that this is Bill's primary rig. Bill, can you point anything out to us over there on that rig?
That's the modulator.
But man alive, we got a pair of
that's the modulator, and there's the transformers inside that box.
Transformers in that box right there. Holy smokes!
You want a good smoke?
Wait, I think
those are.
going.
Let me get over.
I put it out.
Let me get over by those tubes there and take a look at the A33As. I'm probably too close here to get them focused in, but you know, there's the modulator. There's the whole modulator, and.
Hello, Norm. This is the unit in CR 2021 that you always accuse me of using. Well, this how it looks. Here it is.
We're just looking at the modulator for Bill's main transmitter, and this is the main transmitter. It stands in a 6-foot rack here. We go around the back and take a look at what we have here.
Down there.
Oh yeah.
I'm talking about high voltage, man. Careful, man. There's high voltage down there. There's the modulator again from the rear.
Yeah.
And here's the amplifier. A pair of 4-250As. And here's the negative cycle loading resistor bank that Bill uses. And there is the large diodes that conduct on the negative half cycle. And there's the dummy load that Bill uses.
Dummy load.
Yeah, right there, that large bulb.
Oh, that's for the primary.
In my house,
that's in the primary.
Oh, yeah, that's in the primary. That's not the dummy load.
Yeah, that's for tuning. Huh?
Yeah, XYL is not a dummy load either, so we won't get into that. Yeah.
Pull transformer.
Holy smokes! What's that pull pig for now?
That's for the modulator.
That's just for the modulator. Holy smokes!
There's a variac for the modulator.
There's a variac.
You know, when K1KV was here, he took a picture of this RF deck. And
That's not the RF deck. That's a modulator.
Or the modulator,
yeah.
Pardon me. And there was a hole in one of the plates.
The size of a silver dollar.
Was it?
It was a hole, I know.
Most of those holes they sort of burn like a silver dollar, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Made a round hole, yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's sure nice to see you in your station by your vintage equipment, Bill. This is going to be a real treat for those who haven't met you before. And
this was wired up temporary, and it's been that way for 20 years. Got it to work and it stayed that way.
Hey, I got some temporary work around W6PSS shack you can do when you come out, Bill. Yeah. With the 807 as Rick said. Yeah, I'm looking at the other equipment over there now. The rack-mounted thing to the left across the room. The one that has the pair of 803. This has a pair of 803s in the final, and that's an Navy TCN. Is it transmitter? See if we can read that plate.
It's
can't quite read.
CG52206 is the number of it.
Oh, that's the number of it. And originally it used suppressor grid modulation because of the 803s, but Bill modified it and built a modulator for it. It uses a pair of what, 810s.
805s.
805s.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's the 805 modulator for that rig. That's a nice rig. And then we have a homebrew transceiver on the bottom here, and above it is a what, 6 meter
6-meter final.
6-meter final.
27.8.
Okay. And what's really impressive, folks, are these old coils that make up the w8vyz antenna tuning network. I mean, this is really impressive. I was telling Bill, this is the type of tuning networks that you expect to find aboard a ship back in maybe the 1920s. You know, with all the tuning circuitry out in the open, which would provide an easy access whenever you're going to change frequencies or whatever. How's that, Bill?
Don't have any shielding around the coils. It might suck up some of the RF. You might lose 1 watt.
There you go. We wouldn't want to do that.
No, it costs too much to get it there, you know.
Hey Norm, congratulations for kicking the habit.
Well, have you had any verification? You know, with the Russians, the United States, we have on-site verification. So what proof do you have that Norm has actually stopped smoking?
He's an honest guy.
All right.
Oh, hey, get a shot of this.
Oh,
Get a shot of that.
What is that?
See that?
Oh, yeah.
I was here 10/6/84.
Well, that's right.
Okay, now get a shot of this over here on the main switch.
Okay, main switch.
See that? See what that says? What does that say?
I can't see it. The resolution's not good enough in this camera.
It isn't?
It says you were here again?
No, it says K8MLV/0 YAM with sparks on each side of the AM.
Oh, fantastic.
Forever 5585.
You were serious when you said that, right?
Yes.
Hey, Bill, the microphones here. This is a JT30, and and in addition to the JT30, you use a what is this one here?
630.
630. It's a 630 Electro Voice with a with a windscreen on it.
Yeah,
So I know you've all seen those. I've got one that I haven't used in a while, but Bill really sounds good on that. Absolutely. Well, I hope for our spam friends who see this little video we've done that they can see they don't need new equipment to get out and be a worldwide station like you are, because you certainly do a good job.
Oh, yes.
Who's this Rogues Gallery here?
Guess who that is down there? There's Rick.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I'll be
Oh,
darned.
yeah.
Lean on the motorcycle.
Who's that next to Rick?
Oh, that's the character I'm going to check out the boat anchor collection when we go to
okay.
Michigan.
Okay, and show us what else we got there, Bill.
There's w8vyz.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh.
There's,
Fantastic.
Bill, 6MSC.
Oh, great.
There's Houston Bill, WB5UMJ.
Oh, okay.
KD6OS.
Yes. Who I know? Who's a
There's
good friend.
W4VW. He passed away. You remember him.
Yeah.
4VW.
Yeah.
He's dead now.
Oh.
There's Phoenix Bill,
Yeah.
K7VZP.
Oh,
There's
really?
Art, 9CNI.
Oh, that's Arthur over there.
Do you have a
Very
Zoom?
good.
I don't have.
Yeah. Oh, what is this guy over here we're looking at with the CRT
Right here?
on top? Yeah.
Oh, that's a monitor scope.
Yeah, that's a monitor scope, but what's that underneath it?
That's power supply for the 75-meter rig.
Oh, it is?
6-meter rig both.
Oh, okay. Well metered, as you can see. Very good. What's the story on this Viking 1? Do you use that?
Viking 2.
Oh, that's a Viking 2.
Yeah.
Do you use it very often?
Yeah. I hate to say it, but it's sitting on the 11-meter band right now.
Oh, really?
On the 11-meter band.
What's your excuse? What's your excuse? You run them off of 10 meters, and then you get on 11 meters and try to run them off of there.
I keep scheduling my brother in Youngstown. He's a CB'er.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You folks heard that? You heard that first. You never would have. Hey, Rick, he'd never admit that over the air.
Oh, no.
Huh?
You're not going to
I
send a
wouldn't
copy
admit
of
that
the
over there.
feces, are you?
Oh, no, of course not.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just checking.
Yeah. You're not very nice, Rick.
Yeah, the only way I can talk to my brother is a CB'er. The only way I can talk to him is get on CB. And the only way I can be heard is run a little power.
Oh, you run a full 5 watts then, right?
Oh, yeah, full 5 watts. Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, we appreciate your showing us around the station and letting us come in here and out of the cold and fix our Harvey Wells today.
Yeah, there's the frequency.
And
I didn't want to forget the frequency of my brother. It's
Oh.
27. It's not even a CB band, I don't think. 27705.
Oh, he's one of them pirates, huh?
He's a pirate, yeah. But it's not in the hand
wow.
band anyway.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, I apologize to KF6EA for my bad habits. I know I'm...
Which one?
And hey,
Hey,
Ramser.
talking to us or what?
And Ramser, hey, get on the air, will you? I miss you.
Yeah, he's too busy teaching college
Yeah.
at 2 different colleges. Hey, Cat, something else. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Absolutely. Okay, well, Bill, it's been nice seeing you. And when you come out to California, bring your sweetie pie along and come and see us.
Yeah, my wife's working now. That's pretty hard.
Well, after she makes all the money, you buy a motor home and come on out there and see the United States.
Go, yeah.
Right. By the way, there's somebody else that Rick would like to say hi to.
Hello, Fred. W6 Radio, Nevada City.
Anything to say to Fred?
Just hello.
Okay. Anything else to pass along there, Ashtabula Bill?
Not really.
Okay, well, we're going to share this little video. I wish I were more adapt to doing this sort of thing, but I do the best I can.
He seems pretty professional.
Everybody, yeah. Everybody
Oh,
get
flattery.
on the reply comment deadline, January 31.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, this is reply comment. In the reply comment situation, you can add your own comments to those who have been made by another amateur.
Correct.
I'll probably comment about yours.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Trying to do both.
He shut off. There I was. You
We're
hear
looking.
me on an image.
This is a close-up of.
He said the first time
Bill's,
you ever heard an image on that receiver.
Hey, Bill, what frequency does this tuner cover?
A big one?
Yeah,
75 to 160.
75 to 160. And this is a balanced system, is it not?
Yeah, it's all balanced. Yeah.
All balanced.
Yeah.
Here's the homemade coil
Yeah.
on top, and coming down here, we have a very large butterfly capacitor. And then next to that, we have, what is that? That's the, what, 40 meter?
Yeah, the next one covers 40 through 10.
40 through 10. And then the little ones,
That covers 10 and 6.
10 and 6. I mean, I'm talking about some real hardware, fellas.
And the next one down is 10 and 6. They're both the same.
This one is 10 and 6. That's this guy off in the distance here. Fantastic.
Hey, you got to get you another beer here. You should drop
No,
down.
no. That's quite all right.
Hey, look what the foot traffic is doing to your cable.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to have to do something.
This is Ashtabula Bill, and yours truly. I didn't shave today. I didn't shave yesterday, and I didn't shave the day before. And I'm not Jewish. I just like to talk with my hands. But this is a privilege to be in the home QTH of Ashtabula Bill. And by God, if you and your wife ever come out our way, we want you to stay a while. Sorry we made a mess of your house today. We came in here without much of a
You
warning.
heard that? He made a mess of the house. Look at this mess here. He
Spilled
made
beer.
a mess of it.
Hey, spill beer all over the
Yeah,
goddamn
right.
floor. You know what I mean? Huh?
Well, look at the floor.
can't
Look
say
at
it,
the
Carl.
floor here. Look at the floor.
Hey, anyhow, thanks for having us, Dave. Feel like I've known this guy my whole life. And, hey, w8vyz has been here before. No, he has not been here yet.
Well, Les has been.
Les was here.
HQI.
Yeah. So, I'm glad we're going to have some pictures to take back.
K1KV was here too, a long time ago.
Oh, yeah, you don't like him. You
No.
don't, no.
Oh, Bill's okay.
He's okay. You forgave him. See, I knew there was a little Christian in you there, fella.
Yeah, well, I'm still a little ticked off about that
Anyhow,
rotable inductor.
thank you, Bill, and thanks for having us today. And it's been fun being on TV with you.
Yeah.
And seeing your rigs. Hey, this guy has got rigs like you never seen before. You know,
Yes. Yeah, forever.
AM forever, guys. See on the air. Did you unclick it? Still, the red light's still on. Click it, and the red light will go off. Click it.
Clicking again.
Yep. You're still recording me. KMLV and myself are very fortunate today to visit here at w8vyz. There's the famous boat that we hear Bill talk about when he gives his report from Lake Erie, the walleyes and the perch and how they're doing. And here we have the famous w8vyz windmill tower. Big old windmill up there. And here we have the famous, you can see it through the tree. Here we have the famous 10-meter beam, w8vyz. Isn't that fantastic? Plumber's Delight. Up there several feet, 60, 70 feet high. Here we have Bill's real nice QTH. And there's the microwave towers next door that's been giving Bill a problem for years, and thank God they're being taken down. Hopefully Bill will be able to acquire that tower. We're just going to hold our breath and see what happens. Okay, here's Bill's 20-meter antenna that's somewhat in disrepair at the moment, but he still puts out a fantastic signal with this 20-meter beam that's up on the on a windmill tower. Looks like it's about 45 feet up in the air. Here's another view of the windmill tower, Bill's. Isn't that nice? You put an antenna up there too if you ever get tired of the windmill. Another view of the 10-meter beam. A big old tower that's not self-supporting, but it's insulated from the ground. Think what you could do with a 160 with that thing. And I think he is doing something with 160. By the way, there are antennas up that go from the tower up here down to another small tower that's going to eventually be a 120-foot tower. And it just started. Some roan, I think he's got 3 sections of roan up to right now. And there's a diagonal wire that goes from there all the way up to the top of this tower where the 10-meter beam's at. And that sort of forms a 75-meter antenna right now. And we'll get more information sometime on the scheme of things for 160.